Hi, in front of me is TCL 20 Pro 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. Firstly, you need to access menu and find clock. Then tap on it. Now select alarm at the top left corner if it's not already on and tap on this plus icon. Then set up an hour, and if you want to, you can click on the switcher next to repeat and select days of the week by clicking at the chosen ones. So I will go with Mondays and Fridays. Then click on the switcher next to vibration to turn them off or on and tap on label. Label your alarm however you wish to and save your changes by tapping OK. Now select ringtone and then you can pick one of those melodies as your alarm sound by clicking on the chosen one and going back. But you can also click on add new and pick music from your device. Then go back again, and to save your alarm, click at the top right corner. You can always turn off your alarm completely by clicking on the switcher next to it. Then turn it back on the same way. If you wish to delete your alarm, hold it, tap on bin icon at the top right corner, and as you can see, now it's gone. You can also click on the three dots at the top right corner and access alarm settings. Customize them however you wish to and just go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!